Hi everyone, in this tutorial today I am going to show you how to make a YouTube intro using Canva. Whether you are beginners or an experienced designer, you will find this tutorial helpful in creating professional looking intros for YouTube videos. So first of all, let's go to the Canva website. To start this website, you will need to sign up for a Canva account. It's completely free and you can sign up using your email address or Google address. So this is the home page of the Canva. And to start designing intro, first of all we have to search YouTube intro in the search box. So let's search. You can also search YouTube outro if you want to design outro videos. And here Canva gives us wide variety of YouTube intro templates that are already pre-designed for us. You can also create your own design from this blank template if you want to make from the scratch. Or if you are looking for something specific design, just go to the filters. Then from here you can select categories, style, theme, features, subjects, topics, and also colors. And now I am going to select tutorial topic from the theme because I have a tutorial channel. So let's select this. There are 190 templates available in this top. Now let's search. There are so many videos. Some of are for the free and some of are pro user. Those who don't have a pro account, they can use these templates, which is completely free. But I already have a pro account, so I am going to select this one. Let's customize this template. Now first of all I am going to change the background color. For this, go to the color palette and then choose your background color. I select this one. You can also change the color of this design if you want to change, or if you want to add some different designs you can also add. Just go to the elements and search for the design. Then go to the graphics and from here choose your design which you like and add it over here. So I like this one, so let's add this. Let's delete this one. You can also change the color of this design. Okay. Now I am going to copy this one to put it here. Let's change the position to backward. Again I am going to copy this. Now let's write heading in this text box. How to make YouTube intro. Let's make it smaller. select it here. Or if you don't want to use this text, you can select your own text from the text option which is given in the left side here. Choose your text and add here. Just click on it like this. And you can also change the size, color, effects, and also you can animate. There are so many options here: typewriter, ascend, shift, drift, etc. You can choose any of these. Now let's change this video. For this, you have to go to the videos option and you can search anything, whatever you want to add here. I am going to write working on a computer. And here there are so many options which we can use. Or if you don't have a pro account, just go to the filters and select free one. And this whole video are completely free. You can use any of these if you don't have a pro account. So let's choose any of these. Let's select this one. Let's make it smaller, like that. Or you can also select some portion of the video by selecting length of your video from here. And if you want to make it faster, just go to this playback option and you can change speed of your video, faster and slower, like this. Now let's animate this video. I select this one, photo zoom. Now let's see how it's look. So our intro is ready, and then you can add your own video. Just click on this plus button and then go to the uploads, choose upload file, then choose your video and upload it here. And you can add your video here. Then set as a background. And when you finish your editing, for the download, go to the share button, then choose download option, then choose your file type. I'll choose MP4 video and then download it. So guys, by this way you can create professional looking YouTube intro using Canva with a little bit of creativity and some simple design skills, and you can create intros that will make your YouTube videos stand out and engage your audience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.